Hi, welcome to Overland Travelling, a channel dedicated to my expedition vehicle and wherever the adventure takes it. Today, in this short episode, we will cover off-road tracks in Uist, that's in the Outer Hebrides in Scotland, which is part of my most recent Overland adventure. I'll show you the off-road locations where you can take your beloved 4x4. We all know how hard it is to find tracks and peaceful park-ups, so buckle up, sit back and enjoy.
So here we are, North Uist. Unbelievable day, no clouds whatsoever, blue skies. And then I stumble across this beach. The bluest water, the whitest sand I think I've ever seen. And I've travelled a lot in my time, and it's very rare that you ever come across somewhere as beautiful as this. Granted, there's no clouds whatsoever today. But if you've got a 4x4 and you want to get to somewhere that's a little bit secluded, you know, test the vehicle out, which you can do, get somewhere and just park up for the night. Look at this, it's just unreal. Let's just enjoy it for one moment.
So what you just heard there was me engaging central diff lock. It helps between the balance of traction between the front and the rear wheels because we're on powder like sand, and because the vehicle weighs around 6 ton, it'll prevent the front wheels going faster than the rear wheels, hence no bouncing. So now I've headed off on a track for a few miles. What you get to see is just a very short clip of what was fantastic off-road fun for myself.
So here we are at the end of day one. Watch the tide coming in. It's been a fantastic day. Bit of 4x4 tracking coming in, a little bit of 4x4 tracking going back out. Like I say, if you've got a 4x4 and you want to get down here or even pitch a tent, it's a wonderful place to be. Blue water, nice pebbly beach, and here we are. Just take a look at the truck. Look where we are. Just set up there. Max is hiding underneath because it's probably just a bit too hot for him, you know. So this is it for the night. We're just going to pack up and then we're going to make our way out first thing in the morning to some more adventure around Uist. North, south, I don't know. Let's see where we go.
So, with a slight weather change, we head to Roval Hill. Now, we're not going directly to the mountain itself, because around the foot of Roval, there are lots of off-road tracks, generally behind gated barriers. Open the gates, close them behind you, and off you go for many, many miles of scenic and not too difficult off-road tracks. In this next clip, you're going to witness my passenger door swing open while I'm driving. The problem was I was concentrating on the drone. I was concentrating traversing the track, which was quite difficult because it had huge holes in it, which caused the truck to lurch left and right, as much as 2 feet difference from left to right side. I hit a hole. Because my door had not been latched completely, it twisted the body on the truck and the door popped open. Whoops, my bad. So looking at the map, we got 3 markers. That's South Uist. The next one is also South Uist but further up the west coast. And the final one is North Uist. These are the main 3 areas that I concentrated on to do the off-road driving. There's substantial tracks, it's very safe and very, very peaceful. So if you have a 4-wheel drive and you wish to enter an area where it's safe to drive and very relatively easy to park up and stay overnight, these are the areas I would recommend. From the wild, rugged tracks of North to South Uist, we've reached the end of our journey. But thanks for joining me on this adventure. Consider hitting that subscribe button so that we can plan our next overland trip together. See you next time. Bye for now.